Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how to add poll in Instagram Reels. Now this is quite an easy thing to do, so make sure you follow me till the end to get an idea of how you can do this. Now I'll quickly start making a reel and then I'll show you how you can add a poll within the caption. First, I will record a reel. So let's say this video right here. So after I've recorded the reel, I can go ahead and click on next. Now over here, you can add a sticker, a quiz sticker and give options, but this is not a poll as per se. So you can go ahead and click on next again, and this is where you get to add the poll. Over here in the caption, you can see that there is this option called poll. Just click on it. You can add multiple options. And as you can see here, once you have put in the text within the poll, you can click on the tick mark on the top right corner. And after that, our poll is now added. I'll quickly share this reel to give you guys an idea. So as you can see here, this is the reel. And over here on the bottom, you can see an option where you can vote. And yeah, that is it when it comes to adding a poll in your Instagram Reels. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.